Hi everyone, and welcome to Clipboard Knowledge's first video in the How to Instagram series. Today I'll show you guys how to make a post on Instagram. Ever since Instagram came out with a new update some time ago, the layout of it has really changed. In this video we'll be covering two ways you can make a post on Instagram. The first way is to click the home icon on the bottom of your screen. When you click it, it'll take you to this page. On the top right hand side of the screen are three buttons, a plus sign, a heart, and a chat bubble. To make a post, you need to click the plus sign. Clicking this button will bring you to the screen. On the lower right hand side, you can choose what you want to post. The options include a post to your feed, a story, reels, or live. But for this video, we'll make a post. The post should be automatically selected, but you can scroll to it if needed. Then you need to choose the photo you want to post to your page. Towards the bottom, you can see your camera roll, so we just need to select the picture from here. I'll choose this one. The view you see here will be what people who follow you will see when you post, so you can play around with what your preferred size of the picture would be. Once you have that set, click the next button on the top right hand side of the screen. When you get to this page, you can choose what type of filter you would like to apply to your photo. The type of filters include Clarendon, Gingham, Moon, Lark, and many more. If you choose to put a filter on your image, you can also control how much of the filter your picture will have. So for example, if you go to Clarendon and click on it one more time, there is a sliding bar that comes up with which you can choose the desired amount of filter on your image. And when the bar is at 100, it means that the maximum amount of the filter is applied, but when you scroll to 0, it means that none of the filter is applied, and you can just play around and see whatever your desired amount of the filter is. At the top of the screen, there's a rectangle with two stars. If you click on it, you'll see that it is called a lux filter. By sliding this bar back and forth, you can also select the desired amount of lux on your photo. So the pre-selected amount is 50, but you can do it to 100 or to a negative 100 and just play around with it with your desired amount. Another way you can edit your photo is by clicking on the edit button in the lower right hand side of the screen. Here you are given multiple options to edit your image, like adjusting the size or the brightness, the contrast, the structure, warmth, and many more. Most of these options have a sliding bar that you can use to drag in whatever preferred direction for your photo. For example, in the brightness option, 100% is with the full brightness, and negative 100 is making it a little bit darker than the original photo. The few that don't have a sliding option are the color and tilt shift buttons, which are towards the end. For the color, you can choose the hue of the shadow and highlight to put on the picture by just clicking on the circled circles. On the colored circles, such as this is red, blue, green, yellow, and then for highlight you can do pink, purple, yellow, and so on. And just keep doing it whatever until you have the filter that you like. The tilt shift shows what type of blurring effect you want on your photo. So there are two options, radial or linear. And you can choose whichever one you want for your photo. So this is radial and this is linear. An important thing to note is that filters are completely optional, and you can definitely post a picture with no filter on it as well. Once you're satisfied with how your picture looks, you can click on the next button in the top right hand side of your screen. Here you can write a caption to your image, which can range from serious to descriptive to comedic. Again, putting a caption is completely optional as well. So for example, in this image we can put the caption, "Welcome to our page." Put hashtags. You can also put hashtags as well to get more reach. First post. Okay. And then if there are people or groups of people in your photo, you can also tag their Instagram accounts to your photo. So what you can do is click on the Tag People button, click anywhere on the photo, type in the person or people's Instagram account handle you would want to include. So we can do Instagram. Click on the handle when it shows up, and so it'll look like this. You can also move it around in whatever location you want as well. Now you can click done on the right hand side of the screen. You can also add a location, but that's completely optional too. If you have other Instagram accounts, you can also post to them if you want by clicking on the toggle buttons on the right. If you want to post this photo to Facebook, Tumblr, or Twitter, you can click on these on the toggle buttons as well on the right. If you think that your picture looks the way you want and has your desired caption, tagging, location as needed, you can post your image. To post, click on the share button on the top right hand side of the screen. Clicking this will post your image to your page. The accounts that follow you will be able to see this image. And it's posted. Now we can move on to the second way to post a picture. So for the second way, what we can do is click on our profile photo. Once we get to this page, we can see that on the top right hand side of the screen there are 2 buttons. There's a plus sign and 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. So when you click on the plus sign, a list comes up which includes post, story, story highlight, IGTV video, reel, and guide. For this video, we'll click on the post button. When you click on that, it brings you to this page. Towards the bottom is your camera roll, and you can select whatever image you want to post. From here, the process for creating a post is the exact same as the first option. I hope this video was able to help you guys to create posts on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video and would also like to watch more related content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please leave any comments, suggestions, or feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.